When a higher being selects you for a special purpose, it doesn't provide you with direct guidance. Instead, you begin to experience signs and unusual feelings that emerge from the depths of your being. These are not mere coincidences. They are significant calls that you should pay attention to. Reflect carefully on their meaning, as they may be revealing the path to your true destiny. We will explore some common signals suggesting that you are chosen and what they mean. These signals can help you understand the purpose given to you and assist you in fulfilling your destiny. When a higher power chooses you, it doesn't seek someone pretending to be someone they are not. Instead, you start to experience a deep sense of coherence within yourself. Situations that require falsehood and role-playing make you uncomfortable, as if you were betraying your own essence. Dishonesty simply isn't in your nature. You are the kind of person who values sincerity in relationships and seeks authenticity in every interaction. This authenticity becomes your distinctive mark, setting you apart from others. You possess a special radar for detecting falsehood in others, an innate ability to identify insincerity even from a distance. It's like a natural gift granted to you, distinguishing you as someone unique. This ability to discern the genuine from the false guides you in choosing the people around you and the relationships you build, ensuring they are based on sincerity and authenticity. You are someone who doesn't relate well to falsehood. It's a distinctive trait that defines you. You are a person who values authenticity and sincerity in human relationships. You cannot establish a genuine connection with those lacking these fundamental qualities. Whether it's individuals obsessed with materialism, prone to spreading gossip, or inclined to act abusively, you feel a deep disconnection with their way of being. Your ability to detect falsehood is like a sixth sense guiding you in your interactions with others. You can perceive when someone is being hypocritical or dishonest, even when they try to hide it. This innate ability to discern authenticity from falsehood distinguishes you in a special way. It protects you from potentially harmful situations and enables you to establish deeper and more meaningful connections with people who share your values of honesty and authenticity. As you navigate through this sincerity radar, you approach your true tribe of people who value honesty and integrity as much as you do, creating more authentic and satisfying relationships on your journey. You have a thirst for more. While some people find comfort in the regular routines of life, you always feel that there is something more, something greater waiting for you out there. The monotony of everyday life doesn't satisfy you. The idea of simply fitting in and following the path everyone else is on feels like a trap you don't want to fall into. Understand deeply that life offers much more than just a regular job and compliance with society's established rules. You refuse to be limited by the restrictions that seem to hold others back, and this is one of the clearest signs that you are one of the chosen ones. You know that there is a vast and amazing world to discover, one that goes far beyond what is considered common. You are a tireless seeker of new experiences, knowledge, and adventures. This thirst for more drives you to explore, question, and challenge conventional expectations, guiding you toward a unique and meaningful path in life. You go through significant difficulties. Every test, every challenge, every difficult moment you have faced has a purpose. They make you stronger and wiser as you navigate through dark and tough times. And more importantly, these experiences equip you to be a guiding light for those who are lost or facing their own struggles. Your personal difficulties pave the way for others to find the strength and courage to overcome their own adversities. Every challenge has a purpose, and nothing is wasted on your journey. Seek the truth. From an early age, you have been someone who craves understanding the truths of the world. You don't settle for blindly accepting the status quo or following popular beliefs. You prefer to follow your heart and forge your own path. You always ask questions and seek a deeper meaning in life. You know that the deepest answers are often found within you. As the philosopher Socrates said, an unexamined life is not worth living, and you truly believe in that. So you are on a personal quest, a journey to explore your inner self and gain a profound understanding of who you are. You have carried with you the feeling that you are a separate being, as if you were born into a world where you don't quite fit. This sense of uniqueness has sometimes been so strong that it has made you question if you truly belong to your own family or community. While many follow the path marked by expectations and social conventions, you have chosen to chart your own course. Your beliefs, values, and way of seeing the world are often radically different from what most consider normal. Perhaps you find yourself on the opposite end in political debates, or challenge popular beliefs that others take for granted. Being the black sheep in your family or environment is not always easy. It can generate feelings of loneliness or not belonging. This feeling of not fitting in is a manifestation of your uniqueness and your unique purpose in life. You have the courage to be authentic, even when it means being different, and this authenticity allows you to stand out and play a fundamental role in the evolution of the world around you. Ultimately, being the black sheep is a sign that you are here to make a difference and forge a unique path in the world. You are a good-hearted person. Throughout your life, you have faced challenges and adversities, but instead of becoming indifferent, you have chosen a different path, that of kindness. Your heart is genuine and radiant, and your deep desire to make others happy is a force that drives your actions. Even in situations where you could protect your own interests, you choose to share and give of yourself, often allowing others to take more than they might expect. However, this generosity is not a sign of weakness, but a testimony to your genuine love for helping others. Kindness is rooted deep within you, and this innate characteristic points to you as someone special. Your ability to offer love and compassion, even in the midst of personal trials, is a clear sign that you possess a noble and generous heart. Kindness is part of who you are. It's in your DNA. Your generous nature is a clear sign that you are someone special, chosen for a greater purpose. As you show empathy and care for those around you, you become a beacon of light in a world that can sometimes seem bleak. You have inner knowledge. Deep within yourself, you know that you are destined for something great. It's like an intuition that you cannot ignore, a fire in your soul that keeps burning. You feel that your connection to a higher purpose is undeniable. You cannot escape the feeling that you are here to make a difference in the world. Often you feel like an old soul, as if you have experienced more than your years on this earth indicate. The way things work in this world, the struggles and divisions, simply don't make sense to you. You feel like you belong to a different place. You are not like everyone else. For a long time, you have felt that you are different, that you don't go with the flow. Your perspective and approach to life are unique. You don't settle for following established norms or doing what everyone else does. You know that you are here to change things, to make the world a better place. No matter how much you try to deny it, that inner calling won't disappear. Although some people may not like you, that's simply because you are a force for change. Being different is not a flaw. It's a sign that you are destined to make a difference in this world. You believe in a higher power. Unlike some who may dismiss spiritual ideas, you have a deep respect and reverence for the forces of the universe or God. You perceive things that others might overlook. You have a profound understanding that everything in life unfolds according to a higher plan. You are what is known as a light worker, someone whose purpose is to bring light and love to the world. Deep within you, you know that this is your true calling. You are guided and protected by higher powers. So, if you recognize these signs in your life, take it seriously. They are messages from a higher power urging you to fulfill a unique mission during your time on Earth. You are not alone on this journey. You are guided and protected from above. Trust yourself and your destiny, and be aware that you are here for a reason. I hope these words have resonated with you, guiding you towards a greater understanding of your purpose and uniqueness. If you are still here, I appreciate your time and support. If you find these principles valuable, please share this video and comment with your reflections. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you for being part of this community. I wish you a wonderful day.